This is what real progress looks like with a reactive dog. Not perfect, but controlled. On our walk, we had 3 different situations: cat, horse, and dog. And each one tells you something different about behavior. Good boy. Here, no reaction. Calm. That tells me that he's grown accustomed to being comfortable in these situations. It's not perfect yet, but we're getting there. It takes time. Before this, he would go after cats indiscriminately. This is really something. Here comes a horse. And Winston's not that. But see how fast I got him in control? That's worlds apart. That is worlds apart from where he was. He would see the horse from the distance it was originally, and he would have went right away. He would have wanted to go full mode, so there is progress. So now you see with the horse, this is where things change. He was comfortable, even from the original distance that the horse was, about 20 feet away. If he saw a horse, he'd want to go after it. But I had him jump up on the wall and stay there and just be calm, and he was. Until the horse closed the distance. Winston seems to like distance being closed on his terms. At this point, he's more comfortable being the one to approach. But in this instance, when that horse got too close, Winston reacted, albeit he was under control quickly. So we're gonna try a second time with Loopy and Winston. Winston, heel. Heel. Nope. Nope. Sit. Good boy. Takes time. Heel. Winston. Sit. Hey. Sit. So to get some leverage, don't worry, his neck is very strong. Sit. Good boy. Sit. 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 Do it. Stay. Good boy. We won't push our luck tonight. Sit. Stay. Good boy. Come on. Sit. Hey. Stay. Good boy. Let's go. This is his hardest trigger. Other dogs. Not perfect, but controlled. That's real progress. Most people look for perfect behavior. I look for control under pressure. That's the difference. This is how you build a dog over time. not in a day, not in a video.